This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 6 versus the Sony Xperia XZ2. Now both phones have the Snapdragon 845, both phones have 6 gigs of RAM, and both phones have Android 8 Oreo. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both, so let's get started by tapping the phone app. OnePlus 6. Messages. Very close. I think that was OnePlus 6 actually. Camera. Very similar. Calculator on both. There you go. Clock on both phones. OnePlus 6. Start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. Play Store. Ooh, very close. I think that was XZ2 on that one. Click on Uber. Leave it on that page. PlayStation app. Give that to the Sony boy. Baseball app. Give that to the XZ2. NBA app. Tie. Browsing. Go ahead and open Chrome. And let's go to Amazon right now. And very similar. Scroll through this. Very fast browsing on both phones. Let's go to the Amazon full site. And pretty much the same. Pinch to zoom. Nice and butter on both phones. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. And give this to the OnePlus 6. Go ahead and tap to begin. And close it out. Subway Surf. Subway Surf versus Venice Beach. Loading on both right now. And give this to the XZ2. Tap to play. And close it. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Lost Jungle on this one. Both are loading right now. And I think the XZ2 is ahead. Let's confirm that right now. And give this to the Sony boy. Tap to play and leave that running in the background. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. OnePlus 6 is ahead. Will the XZ2 catch up? No, it does not. And give this win to the OnePlus 6. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar and which one will come out in front. I think this one's gonna be a tie. And this one is a tie. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the OnePlus 6. And I'm gonna call this one another tie. Instagram on both phones, OnePlus 6, and Snapchat. So let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything's in the background as you can see. Now both of these phones have 6 gigs of RAM. So let's check out the RAM management, starting with Instagram. Good to go. CSR Racing 2. Paused and ready to resume on both. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Ready to play on both. Angry Birds 2, still in RAM. Temple Run 2, ready to resume on both. Subway Surf, ready to resume on both as well. Mario Run, right where we left it off. There we go. Browsing on both, same place. NBA app. Ooh, we have a reload on the OP6 on the left. Baseball app, still in RAM. PlayStation app. And a reload on the OP6, still in RAM on the XZ2. The Play Store on both, still on Uber. The clock on both, and the stopwatch still running on both. Calculator app, still in RAM. The camera, there you go. Messages, there you go. And the phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this very close matchup. Are you a Sony boy rocking the Xperia XZ2, Xperia XZ Premium from last year with a crazy 4K display? And are you looking forward to the upcoming XZ2 Premium? Or are you about bang for buck and are on team OnePlus, rocking the OnePlus 6, OnePlus 5T, OnePlus 5, even the OnePlus 3T from a couple of years ago? These phones rocking pretty good specs for essentially half the price of some of these other phones. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.